So what's expert review? So on the first point, it's a procedural check. So when the expert review team looks at the report, it's checking, is the report transparent? In other words, are the figures explained enough so that if we wanted to do calculations ourselves, we could actually understand how you got to the calculation? Accuracy. There are certain thresholds for accuracy provided by the IPCC, also certain default factors. So you can test whether the figures are calculated to the level of accuracy that is accepted by the scientific community. Completeness. Most of the reports, especially the inventories, contain a lot of tables. And a party, if it is not able to indicate a figure in that table, has to explain whether it's not occurring or the information is not available. And if it's not able to satisfactorily explain why one cell in that table has no information, then there could be an issue of completeness. Consistency. This is an annual report. So if you look at the time series, is there consistency, or is there consistency between the information, for example, for imports and exports? So do the numbers add up, in other words? And comparability. So can you compare the figures of one party with a party under the same circumstances? So those are the technical issues that the review team looks at. And it's carried out by the expert review team. I think Haro was saying that it's rare to have peer review, but in this case, the review system under the Kyoto Protocol is a mix, because it's a set of experts, but the experts who go through a report are actually the same experts who prepare reports in their country. So actually, it's a rigorous expert review process, but it's also a very sympathetic review process, because when you explain to the review team why you're having difficulty, more often than not, they understand because they're under the same difficulty. And then it's carried out either in the country, especially if there are big problems with your reporting, or it can be carried out just in Bonn with computers and you're on the phone with the experts. And then, as I've said, it can lead to questions of implementation.